తీసుకురావా
Sir, disable the chat, sir, please.
Disable the chat.
Yes, sir.
What disable the chat?
Good evening.
Don't allow the participants to chat, sir.
Good evening.
Because they will be chatting and will be disturbed, sir. So that please disable.
Sir, disable chatting, sir. Okay.
Sir, still 5 minutes is there, sir, for class.
Still, I have to wait, huh?
No, sir. 13 members only came, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir. Mommy.
Sir? Charging not there.
Good evening, sir. Good evening.
Sir, board is.
Wait, ma, wait.
Evening,
Still
sir.
operation not completed.
Okay, sir.
Just now, doctor entered into the ICU. Patient, sir, is not checking patients. Wait. Huh?
Okay, sir.
Wait for till the doctor arrives to you.
Okay, sir. Huh?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
కొంచెం ముందు పెట్టండి
ఏం వినపలేదు.
Is it okay na board?
Sir, some right side, sir.
Some
Right
right.
side. Down. This side, sir. Cam to backward.
Backward.
Right.
సరిగ్గా లేదండి సార్. సరిగ్గా లేదంట.
Down, sir.
Sir, why are you keeping?
I am adjusting weight, girl. You are killing me. You are killing the doctor. Patient is killing the doctor. Is it okay now?
Sir, now okay, sir. Now okay, sir.
Shall I start operation? Huh?
No, sir.
Shall I start operation? No, 22 members came. Remaining 33. 23
Now nice
members.
only, sir.
Huh?
Good evening, sir.
Now perfectly is there, sir.
Sorry?
Sir.
Good evening, sir. Good evening.
How are you, sir?
Who are you? I am a physics teacher.
How are you, sir?
So you got a gap, that's why you forgotten everything.
Sir, no, sir. I asked how are you?
How are you? I thought, who are you? So, because
No, sir.
Good
out of sight, out of sight, out of mind,
sir.
out of sight, out of mind means
sir.
we can't remember the things which we are not seeing. That's why I thought you have forgotten. I thought,
No, sir. We not forget it.
I thought again I have to start from the definition of science.
Sir.
No, sir. Just you are here like that, sir.
Okay. Remaining students, only 26. I don't know what's wrong.
They're joining, sir. Still 3:59 only, no, sir, time.
I am
Sir, tomorrow classes are there, sir.
Tomorrow is there because last week I have not taken. That's why.
Sir, but 48 members on this.
I don't wait for the tickets. Let me start the cinema.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Movie,
sir.
sir.
Right. Recap. We were discussing about mechanics. Mechanics is the oldest branch of the science which deals with the bodies which are in motion under the action of force. So mechanics again divided into three parts: kinematics, dynamics, and statics. We were discussing this one. So already I told kinematics, it is a branch of mechanics which deals with the bodies in motion without reference to the cause of motion. This is without reference. That means without reference means we don't worry about what made the body to move. Just we don't worry about the forces what are acting on the body. That means without reference to the cause of motion. Dynamics means just dynamics is the branch of mechanics which deals with the bodies in motion with reference to the cause of motion. This is with reference. Actually, our topic dynamics, Newton's laws of motion is concerned to dynamics. With reference, that means we are worried about forces. What forces are acting? With reference to the force or cause of motion, both are same. You don't be confused. Because of cause of motion means force will be acting. And here, body is at rest under the action of force. So we are going, statics means the brand. Statics means it is rest. In physics, statics refer to rest, an object in rest. So at rest under the action of force. Compulsory this word we have to use. Under the action of force means even though the object is rest means it doesn't mean that there is no force acting. Always our weight, gravitational force will be acting. Universal gravitational force will be acting. That you have to remember. So this is what we have discussed. And under dynamics, we are going to consider what forces are responsible. What are the forces responsible? That's why we are saying with reference to the cause of motion, with reference to force. So it is a branch. So under dynamics, we are going to start Newton's laws of motion now. Dynamics, Newton's laws of motion. So here, before starting Newton's laws of motion, we should know what do you mean by force. That's what we have discussed. Because when an object, in order to move an object, or in order to change the state of an object, change the state of an object means, suppose an object is at rest, if you want to make it in motion means you have to apply force here. So that's what force is responsible for the body to change its state either from rest to motion. That's what. So force definition. So we are discussing, in dynamics, we are going to discuss about force. Based on forces only, Newton's laws of motion, 3 laws of motion are framed. Let us see force. Generally, force is a push or pull. I already told that is 6th class, 7th class, 8th class definition. But when you come to 9th or 10th and intermediate, you need to change the definition of force. Just same. However, what I told, force is a physical quantity which changes the state of a body either in rest or of uniform motion. Force is a physical quantity which changes the state of a body either in rest or of uniform motion. Either in rest or of uniform motion. Uniform motion means compulsory. When we are saying this definition of force, the uniform motion means the object should be moving with equal distances in equal interval of time. That's why I have told uniform motion means uniform speed also. Then only Newton's laws of motion are applicable for a body moving in uniform motion. Just like equations of motion are applied for the body moving with uniform acceleration, Newton's laws of motion are applicable for the body which is moving with uniform speed. That means the speed changes. These laws are not valid. That one you have to be very careful. Newton's laws of motion are applicable for the body moving in uniform motion. Uniform motion means if an object is said to be uniform, it covers equal distances in equal intervals of time. So uniform. Now, force. Let us discuss the. Actually, this is not included in your textbook. We are going to discuss about the forces which are available in nature. What are the forces available? 4 forces we are going to discuss. Actually, this is not included in your textbook. I am saying for your better understanding. So different types of forces here. Let me take this pick. Only 80 students came. I don't know what happened. Are you understanding what I am saying? Understanding? Understanding now? Nod your heads. That's it. Okay. Right. Now let us see the forces. What are the forces? Actually, these forces, they won't ask in examination, but for your better understanding, I am saying. Forces. Forces in nature. What are the forces in nature? First one, gravitational force. Second one, electromagnetic force. Forces. Third one, so very weak forces. Third one, strong force and weak force. So generally the forces are divided into 4 categories. This is not included in your textbook, just for when you go to intermediate, you will come to know about what are this. So gravitational forces you already know. Between any 2 objects in the universe, so it may exist between any 2 objects. Any 2 objects in the universe. It may be between Earth and us. It may be between 2 satellites. It may be between any 2 objects. Between any 2 objects. Electromagnetic force means generally if you take any generator. So we are going to apply both the electric field and magnetic field. So forces which are developed by strengthening electricity, and so those are called electric field. This also exists. So these 2 are called long range forces. That means they can, if the separation between them is very vast, long range forces we used to call. Long range forces means the distance between them, distance between any 2 objects is very large. That's why they are called long range. That means these forces exist whenever the separation between two objects is very high. That's why they are called it as long range forces. Gravitational forces and electromagnetic forces are called long range. Long range means they can have impact about when there is a separation between so much distance. Strong force and weak force, these are short range forces. Short range forces means separation is very less. Separation between two objects or two person, anything, separation is very less. Here separation is very high. So separation in the sense of the order, they appear only when the separation is of the order 10 power minus 12 to 10 power minus 15 meters. That means 1 by the minus, you can see 10 power minus 12. Separation is very, 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 very small. The distance between two objects is very, very, very small. So in that case, actually, these are short range, they occurs in the nucleus. So you know, nucleus means central part of an atom. Atom itself very small. In that atom, central part of the atom is nucleus. So here the particles, the forces which are existing between electrons, protons, and neutrons, they are called these nuclear forces. Short range, that means particles are very less, they are maintained with very less distance. The distance between them is 10 power minus 12. 10 power minus 12 means not even 1. 1 by 1 followed by 10 12 zeros, 15 zeros. So short range forces, long range forces, that you should be able to know what are the forces. Now, nuclear forces also we can call. These two nuclear forces. The other name for strong and weak force is nuclear force. Now let us see the strength of these forces. So we are going to compare gravitational force with electromagnetic. So I will take this one as a reference force. One force I will take and I will compare other forces based on the strength of gravitational force. You should know what will be the strength of each and every force when compared to gravitational force. Let us see. For a given pair of particles, that means pair means two. For a given pair of particles, is it visible, everybody? Visible now? Clear now? Nod your heads, that's it. Okay. For a given pair of particles, so if you take two particles, let us see how the strength will act. So I will take this gravitational force as a reference force. This is reference force. That means I will take this one as example, gravitational force. Based on this force, I am going to explain the strength. I want to explain the strength of remaining forces in terms of gravitational force. This is reference force. We have taken as example. This reference we have taken. Gravitational force, we are taking it as reference. The remaining forces we are going to explain in terms of gravitational force. Weak force. This is first one. Second one. Weak force. Strong force. At last, we are going to get electromagnetic. Let me take electromagnetic force. Now we are going to explain the strength of these three forces in terms of this reference force, gravitational force. Now let us see. Weak force are 10 power 25 times stronger than gravitational force. Actually, under dynamics, when you go for IIT Foundation, compulsory there will be discussion about forces. But in Newton's laws of motion, in the AP syllabus, they have not given any introduction related to forces. But you should know. So see here, weak force, already know weak force means it exists among the particles in the nucleus. Separation is very less. So this, when it is very less, force will be more. So weak force is 10 power 25 times. 10 power 25 times greater than, stronger than this gravitational force. Let us see strong force. 10 power 35, 38. Strong force is 10 power 38 times stronger than gravitational force. Gravitational force. Actually, you may get one doubt here. Sir is expressing in terms of gravitational force. How can we decide? The force whether it is stronger or less stronger? Because Newton has given one law which is named as law of universal gravitation, where he has treated one formula. F is equal to G m1 m2 by d square. So this is the formula given by Newton. You are going to study in gravitation. In 9th class, you are having one chapter called gravitation. Under that, you will get this mathematical formula. So see here, force is directly, suppose two masses are there, separated by distance d, m1 and m2. So the force between them is given by this one. So here distance is in denominator. Distance is in denominator. So if distance increases, distance decreases, force will increase. That's why, since weak force, strong force, there the distance between two particles is very less. When the distance is very less, so as the distance increases, distance decreases, force increases. That's why, since the separation is very less for weak and strong, they are very stronger, 10 power 25 times. Understanding, everybody? Understanding? It is understanding now. You are going to get this equation in gravitation based on, just I have taken the example of this equation to show that how the distance, how the force depends on the distance of separation. So electromagnetic force is 10 power 36 times. This is 38, this is 36. Stronger than gravitational force. So I have explained the strength of all the forces by taking the reference as the gravitational force. So weak, strong, this will arise whenever there is the distance between two particles is very less. Electromagnetic and gravitational, they will come into picture whenever there is distance between them is very huge. So based on the reference of gravitational force, I have explained the strength of all these three forces in terms of gravitational force. Let me take this pic. Now, So for dynamics, for Newton's laws of motion, we need to know about now force. I am saying that force is responsible for the body to change its state of rest or motion. Board is visible now? Board is visible now? Just nod your heads. Are you comfortable now? Okay, okay. So, force can change the state of an object. State of an object. State of an object, it can change means, suppose the object is at rest, so it will be switched to motion. Suppose in the same way, if we apply the force in the opposite direction, the body which is in motion will comes to rest. That is our, actually changing the state of a body means making the body which is in motion to rest or making the body which is at rest to motion. That is called. So force can change. That means when the object is at rest, suppose this is at rest, it is not moving. When we apply force, definitely it will move. So it is come to motion. In the same way, when the object is in movement, so if you apply the force in this backward direction, we can make the object, initially it is at motion, we can make the object to come to rest by applying the force in the opposite direction. So here we can say the force can change the state of an object. Now when I am talking about here motion, compulsory is motion, compulsory an object, compulsory it is moving in a straight line with the direction. So force can change. I will use the word force can change the velocity of a body. Velocity of the body means the body which is moving in one direction. So force, whenever we apply force, I mean to say that it will change its velocity. Let us see. Force changes velocities. Velocity of an object. Velocity, you know, velocity has both magnitude and direction. Magnitude, direction. So force can change the velocity means, so it can change the direction or magnitude of a body. Suppose an object is here, we are applying force here. So we are applying force means whenever it is moving, its magnitude, direction changes. When we apply force to any object, its magnitude and direction changes. That's why I am saying velocity. I have not taken speed, because speed we will consider only magnitude because it is a scalar quantity. So force can change the velocity means both in magnitude and direction. Let us see. Suppose if I apply force, this is parallel force. Initially, if I just apply force, its magnitude increases. That means it will come to here. So here, magnitude means its speed. Magnitude is increasing, but the direction is same. The direction is same. So here, when I am applying the parallel force means the force which is parallel to the surface. So when I apply the force here, its magnitude is increasing. That means its value, speed is increasing, but its direction is same. We are applying force in the same direction. Here also, the body is moving in the same direction of force. So its direction is not changing. So parallel force, there are two types of forces, parallel force and perpendicular force. I am going to say. Parallel force means the force which is acting parallel to the surface. Parallel force is responsible for the body for the change in magnitude, not in velocity, not in direction. So let me write parallel force is responsible. Parallel force is responsible for the increase in magnitude. But direction same. Direction there is no change. It is going in a straight line. Same. There is no change in the direction. Now you may get doubt. So what force will change the direction of a body? That we have to discuss now. Now, instead of applying force in this direction, if I apply force in this direction, that means I am applying force 90 degrees to the contact surface. So whenever we apply force in vertically, so the object will change the direction. The object will change the direction when we apply the force from upwards. Initially, earlier we have applied horizontal force. Now we are applying perpendicular force. That means this is perpendicular force. So perpendicular force will change the direction. So when the force is applied in this direction, so it will change its path. So automatically its direction is changing. So once again, I'm saying here force under Newton's laws of motion is related to force. So under force, we have defined force and we have seen the types of force. And I'm saying that force will impact the motion of the body in terms of velocity. That means force can change the velocity. How can it change? So its magnitude will be changed if the force is applied parallel. That is called parallel force. And its direction is changed. Direction of a body is changed when we apply perpendicular force. The perpendicular force means the force which is acting 90 degrees to the contact surface. That is called. So parallel force and perpendicular force. These two forces we have seen. Let me take this photograph. So up to now we have just introduction about force. Now in the next class we are going to start about Newton's. We are going to start about Newton's first law of motion. For that Newton's first law of motion, we need to know about this force. What will make the force to change its state? That the fundamentals. That's why I have taken this one. Now you can ask your doubts one by one. Switch on your cameras. Yes.
Sir. No doubt, sir.
Sir, what is meant by force, sir?
What is meant by? What is meant by?
That's that spelling for me not coming.
Tell me, what is your doubt? Tell me.
Sir, once again explain the diagram, sir.
Diagram.
Fundamental force means what?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we are applying force.
Sir, mute and say, sir.
No problem, no problem. So when you are applying parallel force, it is changing only its magnitude, its value. But when we apply force in this direction, perpendicular force, it will change its direction. Because when it is going like this, when we apply like this will change direction. So perpendicular force will change the direction. Parallel force will change the magnitude. In that way, we can say that force can change the velocity. Since velocity is having both magnitude and direction, We should know which force is responsible for its change in magnitude and change in direction.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, please.
Any more doubts? One by one, ask me.
Sir, electromagnetic force and gravitational force are long range forces, no, sir?
That forces will exist. That forces will exist whenever there is distance between the two objects is very high.
Sir, but electromagnetic force is stronger than gravitational force, sir.
Electromagnetic force.
The strength is more than
Gravitational force is very weak force when compared, because so that takes place between the, because once again I will say it may take between Earth and moon and sun. So they are separated very vast, no? Gravitational force.
Yes, sir.
That's why since the distance is very high, I shown in the equation. If the distance is very high, force will be less.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Any more doubts?
No, sir.
Short time forces.
No, sir.
Yes, tell me.
No doubt.
No doubt, sir.
Are you comfortable with my teaching?
Yes,
Understanding?
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you can ask me any doubt.
Thank you, sir.
On your cameras. On your cameras, ma. On your cameras. Tell me any doubts.
No doubt, sir.
I can able to see all. Only few are asking. Reminding what? Reminding you are understanding.
No doubts, sir.
Not asking doubts means I have to think whether you have understood or not. What I don't know.
Understood, sir.
Understood,
sir.
sir. Understood, sir.
We are understand, sir.
Understood.
Understood, sir.
Understood.
Yes,
Ritika,
sir.
understood.
Yes, sir.
Ritika. Yes. Somebody is saying, sir.
Is another name for short range.
You ask me any doubt? Bhumika, you are about to ask. Tell me, Bhumika. Yes. Bhumika from which? AC Nagara?
AC Nagar, sir.
Tell me, Bhumika, what is your doubt? What is your doubt? Bhumika, tell me. What is your doubt, girl? To speak, girl, you are. I think you are muted yourself. You are muted. You are kept in your mute. That's why whatever your lips are moving. I can't able to hear the voice. It will become tough and dumb.
Somebody keeping symbols.
Symbols, sir. Okay. Bhumika is not asking anything. Remaining, Pujit. Hey, Pujit, cover. That boy is keeping, when I asked his name, like this tongue he is keeping outside. Sari is asking me why he disappeared. He disappeared on the screen. Hey, Pujit. He disappeared. He went to washroom. Hey, tell me, Ra.
Sir, what, sir?
Tell me, Ra, what is your doubt, Ra?
Sir,
That's
no
what
doubt,
I'm
sir.
asking. What is your doubt? You are asking me what, sir?
Sir, no doubt, sir.
No doubt means nothing. No, nothing understood. Huh? Very good.
Sir, no doubt, sir.
I have to start. Very good. Reminding Ra, Devi, who is this? Hey, what is your name? You mentioned your name. Why you are mentioning your mother's name and your sister's name? Why you are kept Devi Himabindu? Your name is Devi Himabindu, boy. Boy is keeping girl's name. Boy is keeping girl's name. What I have to think? Hey, Devi Himabindu. Anna, you asked me your doubt, Babu.
No doubt, sir.
Change your name, Rona. What is your name? What is the name?
Devi Himabindu, sir.
Huh?
Devi Himabindu, sir.
Tell me your name.
Devi Himabindu, sir.
Himabindu only, na? Okay. Sorry. I am sorry. Remaining. Who is this? Venkateswarlu Yesinagar.
Sir.
Tell me, what is your doubt?
Sir, what is the fundamental force, sir?
Fundamental force means basic forces in the nature. What are the basic forces which we
Okay,
have?
sir.
Basic, fundamental means important forces.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Devi, even though are you lying on the, this cot or what? What is your background that I can able to see? You are sitting or sleeping? Huh? You are sitting or sleeping, boy? A girl? No, background. What is your background? What is your background? Okay. That is, it is appearing like a cot. It is appearing like a cot. Okay, I'm sorry. Don't feel otherwise. David, don't feel otherwise. Huh? Okay, just for fun only. C.H. Gayatri from Lakshmipuram. Your turn to ask doubt. C.H. Gayatri. That girl is seeing where? I don't know. C.H. Gayatri from Lakshmipuram.
No, sir.
Everything understood? Everything understood?
No.
No doubt.
Now, you are playing hide and seek. Sometime you will appear, sometime you will disappear. Hide and seek game you are playing with me. Yeah?
Yes.
Let me. Who is this? I can't able to pronounce these names. Who is this? Hita.
Like
Padala.
a new
What
name,
is it?
sir.
What is the name?
Sir?
Lakshmipuram. What is your name, girl?
Sir?
Uh,
Sir?
yes.
Sir, you can send pics, sir.
I will send pics. Don't worry.
Sir,
Any more doubts?
recording video, sir.
What
No,
is
sir.
Recording videos.
another name for
Recording
short
videos will
film
not be
courses,
sent.
sir?
Recording
Okay,
videos
sir.
means you will miss the kick of live videos.
Sir, open the chat box, sir.
It is
No need, sir.
seeing cinema lively is different from seeing the cinema in YouTube. Huh? Recorded means you will miss that living. Live class you will miss. Recorded, I won't entertain. By hook or hook, you just you attend the classes. N Divya Goodur branch. Welcome to Ask Out. That girl is laughing. I asked to disappear. On the screen disappeared.
Sir, open the chat box,
Ask
sir.
doubt means they are
No
disappeared.
need, sir.
No
Sir,
need.
open the chat box.
I have to satisfy each and every student. Well,
Not that,
Speak for me.
sir. Don't open the chat, sir.
huh? No more
Open
doubts.
the chat box, sir.
They are coming and going, coming and going, coming and going. Only this 5 or 6 students are there who are live. I don't know what is the reason. Okay, shall we meet tomorrow? Tomorrow is there, class is there.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Tomorrow, actually, I have not taken earlier, no. So, your principals are going to share the information. Tomorrow, as usual, same
Sir,
time.
only physics and social is there, sir.
Physics class is there. Tomorrow also physics and social, both
Sir,
classes
your
are there.
voice is breaking,
Sir,
sir.
only those 2 subjects are there, sir.
Only 2.
Sir,
As
say
per
it
our
again,
morning
sir.
and evening, sir.
Sir.
Huh?
Sir, morning or evening, sir?
What?
Sir,
Morning or evening, sir?
No, as usual timings, as usual, when you have physics and social, as usual.
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
why should we join on Saturday?
Class 4 to 4:50,
Say again,
social
sir.
class 5 to 5:50.
Sir, sir, why should we join on Saturday, sir?
Why? You have any appointment?
No, sir.
You
But
have any appointment?
Sir, before you say no, just say no again, sir.
Teachers are ready to teach you means you have any appointment.
Before you say
No,
no,
sir.
sir, say again, sir.
Huh?
Sir,
sir,
really?
really, sir. It
Sir.
is
What
there
a
now.
man. Is there any part, is there any joke to like that? Tomorrow is not April
No,
Fool's
sir,
Day
I
to fool you.
Sir,
Tomorrow
okay,
is
sir.
Saturday, sir.
Saturday means I
Okay,
missed one
sir.
class.
Sir, in
No.
schedule, there is no classes, sir.
Yes,
Correct.
sir.
Yes,
No,
sir.
I know we have missed the class. No, I have missed the
When,
class.
sir?
I have missed the class on Monday. I think Monday or Tuesday.
No? Monday,
No,
sir.
no, no.
No,
Monday,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
Monday I
Okay,
have
sir.
missed.
Okay,
Monday I have missed.
Okay, sir.
Because I am feeling sorry for that. I am conducting class. What is the pain for you? To listen.
Sir,
I
open
am
the chat box,
standing
sir.
and I am teaching.
Okay, sir.
You are You are sitting under the AC and you are listening. What is the pain for you? Huh? What is the pain for you? I am ready to teach. Why you are not ready to listen? That is my doubt.
Sir, only social and physics only is there. The remaining subjects not there, sir.
If any subject is there, you will be informed. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
You attend, make sure that you attend physics class and you conclude, you just wind up all your appointments before physics class only. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Right, tomorrow we'll meet.
Sir, write up a chat box in the
Only
class,
for
sir.
9th, sir.
Only for 9th only, ma. As far as I am concerned, I don't know about remaining classes. Because
Okay, sir.
if you want pics, you can add. This girl has appeared now with a Padala. She disappeared and again.
Sir.
You are playing hide and seek game.
Sir.
Okay, right? I will leave.
Sir?
Sir, no, sir, no, madam. Tomorrow we'll meet. No, sir, no, madam.